Hello, hello. Welcome to my kitchen. It's raining. I have a full house. By that I mean I have four of my own dogs, two cats, and I'm dog sitting right now. Oh my goodness. One of my cats is actually outside in one of my flower beds, but it's okay because, oh my god, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this through here, but I have to show you. Can you see him out there in the little... Oh my god, I love him so much. I love him so much. He's exactly where he wants to be. He wouldn't come in if I begged him to, but that's Gandalf, our little garden protector. Oh my god, I love him so much. Does anybody else do this throughout the day where you have to stop literally everything you're doing to take a cute picture of your pet? Cool, me too. Not the rain. Okay, anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are cooking, like I said, I have a full house. I have a lot going on. I have a pretty busy morning. I already went to the gym and I have an appointment in just under an hour. So I wanted to pull something from the recipe pack that was quick and something that I know I would eat and would fill me up. And I found a tuna recipe. I love tuna. I found these cans with the last recipe and I found these cans that are like no drain, so like you can really just plop it right in there. So I've been eating actually a lot of this. It's got 37 grams of protein. Sometimes I do it in a wrap, sometimes I do it on bread. These chips go on sale at Publix every now and then for buy one get one, so I really like these too. They're just kind of like all natural and they don't really have any sick oils in there. There's olive oil, but and flaxseed oil, but you know what I mean, the good oils. So like I'll do that and dip that in there. So yeah, I was trying to find a quick recipe, found one. It was a good tuna recipe and it's spicy, so I was like, perfect. Personally, I like to put pickles in my tuna, and the last time I made that tuna dip, I had like spicy pickles, and it was actually really good. So I'm gonna use pickled jalapenos, try to give it that spicy vibe instead. So let me pull up the recipe. That's what I've been trying to do this whole time. So if you don't know, and if you're a member of our app, or you have our app, you have access to a file that comes in the beginning of every month. There's two files. It's going to be a plant-based recipe pack and a regular schmegular omnivorous recipe pack. Both of those can be found by going into the app. I have to lower the brightness on my phone so y'all can see. So you go right into the app. Am I low enough? We're in the app. There is the menu button on the bottom here, those three lines. Click that. Here's our menu. Hello. Okay, well, it's still kind of bright, but if you scroll through, it'll say Files. Click Files, and then these are all the files you actually have access to. You can download them directly to your phone. But what I'm looking for is March's recipe pack. Click that. Pops up, and there's little three dots up top. Click that. Click it. And then there's download button. Download. And it literally takes seconds. Downloads right to your phone. And it's got everything. It's got a ton of recipes. It's got your table of contents, so you don't have to scroll through all these. It's got a meal plan for you if you don't even want to like brain that month or week. You could just do it weekly. And then even a shopping list if you wanted to get all the groceries you would need to cook everything in this recipe pack. Some pantry staples. And then it gets right into all these really sick recipes. So if you know, you know, every week I come on here, or sorry, not every week, every month, I come on here and I find a recipe pack, or get into the recipe pack, find a recipe, go to the store, pick up the things. This cost me all of like, maybe 50 cents for the celery because I had to pick it up. But all we're going to do today is take some tuna. Actually, I think what I do is I screenshot it so I don't have to go looking for it again. So. And I actually screenshotted a couple because I thought they were good. So, spicy tuna salad. It's going to take 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, which I have. It's going to take celery, green onions. That's the only thing that I don't have because if you notice, it's currently pouring outside. So, they're all pretty drowned and dirty. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and jalapenos. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to quick, simple recipe, like I said, and I can take it to go and eat it with some snacks. kittens messing with my broomstick back there. So I'm actually just gonna start by cutting up the broccoli, or no, this is not broccoli, cutting up the celery. My goodness, I can see my cat that was in the flower bed is getting up and debating if it's worth walking through the rain to get over here, because the wind is blowing in this direction now. Let me go see if I can get him in. You know, do you want to come inside? Do you want to come in? He's so fluffy right now. Sorry, I just woke all the dogs. They all are on here now. They've been on, but... Okay, well, like I said, he wouldn't come in if I begged him to. So he just stared at me like, oh no, she can see me. So I'm actually going to make a smaller recipe, so I'm just going to cut what it said in half. So I'll only need 2 tablespoons of mayo, I'll only need 1 can of tuna. That way I can make this again for meal prep. And instead of using the whole stalk of celery, I'm just going to use a few. That's enough celery. Open the tuna can. Like, isn't that so great? I don't have to do nothing. Just drop it right in there. This is the mayo that I prefer. I don't know why the brightness is being so weird. This is the mayo that I've been using. Again, it's just like organic and all natural ingredients, and it doesn't have all the bad things. It's just avocado oil, vinegar, eggs, egg yolks, salt, rosemary, mustard seed. So again, very simple ingredients. Celery, this, jalapenos. Like I said, I enjoy pickles in my tuna, so I wanted to try some pickled jalapenos in this tuna salad. But these do be pretty spicy, so let's do like that much, and we'll chopper it. I use these pickles. Oh my god, these aren't pickles. I swear I'll get my brain on before my meeting. I use these pickled jalapenos, and I put them in cream cheese, and I'll add Parmesan to it. And I'll make like little breakfast roll-up wraps too that are really good. Alright, jalapenos. I said I don't have green onions, but that's okay. I am going to wash jalapeno juice off of my body before I touch myself literally anywhere. Okay. Now, the schmatties. We're calling for the 2 tablespoons. We're going to give some generous tablespoons in there, though. Like I said, good ingredients. Oh no, I'm going to use this one, because I don't think I'll be adding more. Like, oh, look how packed in there that is. Yes. Perfect. I had a feeling that if I did 2 cans, it wouldn't fit in this either. This worked out perfect. Oh. Drop the chunk. Boom. That's literally it. It took less than 10 minutes. Cost way less than $10. And it's spicy. And crunchy. Oh yeah. I'm probably gonna throw this in a tortilla and just have a tuna salad wrap for lunch. I might also just end up eating this whole thing like this. But again, super simple ingredients. A ton of protein, a ton of calories. Pretty low on sodium, no carbs. Huh. 1 tablespoon serving, so this was 200 calories. 22 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein. So still decent amount of carbs, eggs and whatnot. Decent, very decent amount of protein. Add some celery in there, some jalapeno, spice it up. That was like honestly the perfect quick lunch. Like I said, fill me up, get me ready to go. So now, like I said, I'm gonna wrap this up and enjoy some lunch with all the dogs, with the whole shelter I got at the house today. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Friday, and I'm gonna keep getting this busy day going. Okay, bye.